Welcome back, you lovely bunch. Thanks for tuning in again. I've got an exciting van update. Today is finally the day when I'm going to get the wheels put on, the van lifted. So we're off to the garage now. We're going to take the wheels off Greta, the donor van, and then once the wheels are off, that's it. That van is done. This van is going to start. This van will look awesome. I'm really excited. So I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to go to the garage and we're going to get these wheels swapped over. Right, that is the wheels all done, and I actually ended up doing a little bit more of the installation than I thought I would do. So Morgan, my mechanic, get well soon, he's hurt his back, so he was limited in his mobility, so he basically barked instructions at me whilst I swapped over the wheels, put the spacers in. I should have filmed it, but I'll be honest, I didn't want to put the camera in the face of someone that's having back problems, because I know how annoying it is having back problems, and the last thing I want to do is push a camera in his face. So I'm very, very happy with how this has turned out and how this all looks. There is a little bit of rub at the front. I have sliced off the bumper, so that kind of minimises that. There's still some modification needed. I do need to heat gun the arch lining. I can get that pushed in a little bit, and that'll mean I'll have full lock without any rubbing. But this van is looking significantly better, albeit a little bit dirty. So what we're going to do is we're going to go wash it, give it a little bit of a clean up, and then I'll give you guys a proper look at it. But right now, let's go get a little bit of food. I'm starving. And let's go wash the car. I should probably wash my hands too. Right. Right, you guys need to let me know what you think. What do you think? I think it looks proper mean. Look at it. It looks so cool. These wheels are humongous. As you can see down here, this is where it catches. There is quite a lot of rubbing. I do need to heat gun this to get this all pushed up, but not bad. A little bit there, but as you can see, we have got a 255 by 70 and an R15, and I think they look amazing. Pretty damn rad, right? Lots more clearance on the back. That'll obviously drop when I get it fully lowered, so it'll look kind of pretty cool together. But honestly, I'm so happy with how this looks. I really am. Look at it. I think it just looks mean. It's much higher. It's about 5 inches higher than it was. With the roof tent, with the paint across the bottom, bigger tyres. And something else I have in here is I have a whole heap of ply, but I also have the tow bar hitch off the other one, so that will be getting put on too. So I am very, 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 very happy indeed. Oh, look, I've got a new gear knob as well. Look at that. Awesomeness. Right, so new wheels and tyres are on. Absolutely changed the look of the van. It looks so much better. Honestly, I'm so happy with it. Now all we need to do is make sure the price of diesel goes down, because it's incredibly expensive at the moment. Right, right. Hope you guys enjoyed this van update. Do stay tuned for more. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Bye.